Hey everyone, okay, so today I'm going to show you how to get really flawless skin, but without that really thick, heavy, full coverage look. Now, a lot of people don't like a full face of makeup in terms of foundation, and I can completely understand that. It can just feel a lot of makeup. And there's also this myth that you have to apply foundation everywhere, and you do not. In this video, I'm going to show you how to look very, very flawless with very minimal foundation. So all you need is your favorite foundation, a small dense brush, and some color for your face. So what we're going to do is we're going to use our foundation in the center of the face, pretty much here, and a little bit on our forehead, and anything else on the brush, we're just going to move outwards. It's going to be virtually nothing, but when you cover this center portion, skin starts to look really flawless, and that's what we want. So I'm going to start just applying it on the nose. I'm going to apply it above my eyebrows because that's where I get red. I'm going to apply it on the outside corners of the eye. And I'm also going to apply it to the inner corners, and we'll blend it in a second. So I'm just showing you where I'm going to apply the most amount of product. So that's it. Now what I want to do is just start to work the product into the skin and start to blend it. Now, it obviously helps if the foundation is as close to match as possible because you're not going to apply it to your entire face. So I'm kind of moving it, and then I'm just moving it around the rest of the face. It doesn't need to go everywhere. There's pretty much nothing left on that brush now anyway. But the point is you're hitting the areas where there is the most amount of troublesome or discoloration. I'm just going to go over the eyelids because they're a bit oily, and I'm going to blend that inner corner out. Same thing on the other side. So I'm blending it here, I'm blending it out. I'm just going to go over the eye, and I'm really blending that outside corner because we can get discoloration on the outside corner, and it can be distracting, especially when we're dealing with makeup and eyeshadow. So I haven't added anything else to the brush yet. And when I've done this nose section, because I'm kind of keep blending, I'm just moving it out and down. So I'm moving it across the face. I'm trying to give the skin as much realism as we can. And just very lightly work it around the rest of the face. Your face is going to be different to mine, to the areas that you want to cover. Now, being completely honest with you, I am perfectly okay with that amount of coverage. I don't think I need any more. So what I'm going to do next is apply a little bit of color and then a bit of translucent powder. So I'm going to take a blusher and I'm going to apply this to the areas that I want there to be color. Now, with me, that's pretty much everywhere because I love blusher, because I just think it adds so much health and vitality to the skin. So I'm just dotting it on the areas where I want there to be color. I'm not going in any particular manner as well. I'm not circling it, or I'm just doing kind of anything I want. Circles, back and forward, up and down, just to add color to those areas, because it just makes the skin look so much healthier when you do that. So now I'm going to add a little bit of translucent powder, and I like to add quite a lot because I've used pretty much no foundation, but I wear a lot of sunscreen during the day, and this helps to keep everything matte, which is what I like. I don't want to be too shiny. And I'm also allowing this translucent powder to just aid with any blending. Make sure everything is covered. Now there is no way that anybody would be able to tell I had anything on my skin. At the moment it's a bit matte, but as the next few hours go on, my natural oils will start to blend in and the whole thing won't be quite so matte looking. That's okay. And that's how you do really minimal foundation and yet still have it look and still have your skin look as beautiful as possible. Now, of course, there are still a load of people out there who won't be able to do this kind of tutorial because there are other things on their face that need covering and need more coverage. I completely get that. That's absolutely fine. And this tutorial wouldn't be best suited for you, but for those of us who have skin that requires perfecting but not a complete full coverage foundation, this is how I like to do it. And this look is now ready to have a red lip, smoky eye, whatever you want. But the skin looks real and it looks natural, and that's how I like it. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you all soon. Bye bye.